Alright, what's going on, guys? I figured I'd shoot a video today just quickly talking about something that's going on in the automotive world, as I've been trying to do some of these videos more in the automotive news segment. So if you've been living under a rock, you wouldn't have seen that Ferrari released the SF90. They kind of did a reveal today. There's videos, pictures, they released all the kind of specs on the car. They did everything today, so we have a new look at basically the new Ferrari hypercar. So the Ferrari SF90, as they're calling it, is going to be the first all-wheel drive mid-engine Ferrari. So they obviously, like the GTC4, Luso's been all-wheel drive. They've had some all-wheel drive cars, but it's going to be the first mid-engine hybrid car, and it's going to have about 1,000 horsepower, call it 986. And what's interesting is that even though it is a hypercar, it's only going to be a V8, so it's not going to be the V12 like the LaFerrari. Basically, the way people are saying is that if there was a LaFerrari on sale right now, this would slot right below it, because this one's not going to be limited in production. So obviously it is a hybrid car, so it's going to have the V8. It's about 769 horsepower, so it's the most of the V8s made from Ferrari. And then you're adding in that hybrid battery packs. It's going to go 0 to 60, 2.5 seconds. And then 0 to 120 in 6.7, which is absolutely crazy. Now, a lot of people were surprised at the top speed only being 211. Obviously, I think that's going to be limited by the fact that it's electric motors powering the car. But all in all, I just wanted to quickly share that with you, get some pictures up, show you some videos, because the thing looks like a spaceship inside. Just share kind of the things that we know as of right now. Obviously, nobody's really driven it to give, how it feels and stuff like that. I assume it's going to be an amazing driving experience. It's going to use kind of similar to the way the NSX has with the torque vectoring from the electric motors. It's going to do that as well with the front wheels and the rear wheels being powered by the engine, which is really cool to see. So I'm sure it's going to handle and accelerate like crazy. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think. If you liked the video, please hit subscribe, leave a like. It definitely helps grow the channel. Obviously, this is a car that many of us probably will never get to drive or own or anything like that, but it is cool to see and start to see the trickle-down effect that's going to be going on with these cars. And it seems like they just keep getting better and better so quickly. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Ciao for now. Bye.
Yeah.